Good day. Today is Wednesday, 30th of July, 2025, and today we once again continue with the Q&A from Professor Petrides. Today's topic is how TraitEI relates to neuroscience, and what is the key differentiating factor between TraitEI theory of emotional intelligence and the Goleman theory of emotional intelligence. I hope you enjoy the segment. Stay tuned and keep in touch.
Okay, sir. There are many questions coming up, sir. There is another question by Ms. Ashwini. Is there any link between emotional intelligence, and neuroscience? If it is, then what are its effects?
Yes, and certainly, many have written about this, and I have written with colleagues in a paper in 2016. And if you actually go into our website, I should say, this is my main website, and you can download from there all our research papers, going back 20 years. You can download and you can see all the information, research methods, statistical analysis, discussion, all is and free of charge as well. So there's a paper in 2016 where we review the latest research relating to TraitEI, and there is a section on biological, psychological effects. Generally speaking, however, and this is one major differentiation between the trait emotional intelligence model and Goleman's model of emotional intelligence, a major dimension differentiating these two approaches, is that TraitEI is an approach that is psychological, mental. If you see the Goleman's approach to emotional intelligence is very neurobiological. In other words, that emotions are somehow rooted in the brain. And if you read the book, you'll see all the circuits and brain structures and functions that affect emotion. Trait emotional intelligence is completely different to that, because TraitEI is a psychological theory, and it actually says and argues that your emotions and the way you experience emotion and handle emotion is to do with things that are happening in your mind, in the way that you perceive life, in the way that you perceive yourself, in the way that you perceive others. So it's not biologically rooted, it's psychologically rooted, and this is a major differentiation between the TraitEI model and Goleman's model of EI. Thank you.